Alright, larger family hunters, David is over here. It is blistering hot. It's like 100 degrees already here. We're gonna do a little bit of hunting today. And watch my phone fall over. My stand broke, so. Anyways, we're gonna go do a little bit of hunting. And we will see what's inside. We're at Walmart right now. Y'all hot?
Yes.
It's freaking hot. Alright, we'll see y'all guys inside. Okay. Well, let's see what they got. Looks like the same old Wooden's Returns. We have Oftenses, Grimlock there. No wave 2 of that pack yet. Look at there. They actually got some homecoming. And this one, Mike Geeked Up, is a lot better. So we're gonna pick this one up right here.
Didn't we pick
Well, I got you.
No, we didn't pick the other one up yet.
But they do have. I'm betting the Moon Knight's gone, I'm sure. Oh, nope, it's still there. I may pick that up for somebody else. Here, you want to put that in the basket? Look at there. Yeah, that was me dropping everything. Still got Tombstone. No new Guardians yet. What are those? Cool. Didn't expect to see them show up over here. Okay. That's an old one, that peg warmer. It's a Walmart exclusive, I believe. That's about it from Multiverse, though. Yeah, Hot Man there.
I've seen him a bunch of times, but I haven't seen him.
And this man told me there was some 40th here, but I don't see any 40th. Oh, look. Chewy. One Chewy. Wait on that one. Card is not perfect there. It's the only 40th LC, huh? Yeah. Well, that ain't look. Don't see any up top. Oh. Nothing with Power Rangers. Space ones. Blue and yellow. Some wrestlers. Yeah. Guess little minis in the bombshells now. All right. Well, that's pretty much. I mean, this is the main aisle for action figures. So, if I see anything else, I'll let y'all know. So that's pretty sweet. Yippers. Alright, well, see y'all at the next one. And if not, if I see something else, I'll let y'all know. Still got, well, they still got 2 packs of these. So, yeah, we'll let y'all know. At Walgreens. Let's see what they have. Walgreens number 1. Same poppers there.
Nope. Oh, we can.
I'll have kind of a distinct smell already.
You don't smell weird.
Golly, they got a lot of elites in. Don Cena. Whoa. Look at that head sculpt. I know.
Another Punisher.
Yeah, same Punisher there. Huh. These face sculpts look kind of weird to me.
They do.
This guy don't look that bad though. We don't really collect too many wrestlers. Look at there.
Oh, nice. That's very nice.
Double exclusive there. Huh. I'll probably pick both of those up and see if anybody else needs one. And we need one. Awesome. Found something here. Let's see.
This hot thing.
Buh. Whoa. Excuse me, guys.
That looks cool.
I'm sure that picked up on the camera there. Me burping. Yep. No new pops though. Did it, guys? I think so. Here, grab those. I guess we're gonna check check it out over here. See what else they got. If they got anything. Man, all that stuff is on clearance. No good stuff though. Okay. So we will see you at the next stop. Alright, so Walgreens number 2. Hey, knock it off, young lady. Those. Master Chief up there still. Still the same ones, huh? Bunch of Ant-Mans. Kitty Pryde back there.
Here.
Wrestler. She wanted a drink or what?
Yeah. Hey, dang it.
Same.
Laughing. It's not funny. Is that all you want from me? No more. You have
Nothing there.
Don't do that. You had plenty, sister.
So have some of these exclusive C3POs.
Wait.
Bunch of those still. Alright. I guess we'll look at this other side. David, be careful. Yeah. Nothing on this side. Just summer toys and stuff. But that's it. Alright, well, we'll see y'all at the next stop. Walgreens number 3. Legends look like the same. Namor. back there. I don't know any of these wrestlers. Pops look the same. And dropping stuff. Same Transformers. Metals, same. Well, all right. Aaron's here. That it, David? Look over here, see what they got. Same ones. Yeah. That's total. That's it. Okay, well, we will see y'all at the next one then. Alright, so we're at Target. I'm going to go straight ahead here and see what's over here. Wobbers. Looks like somebody grabbed that Boba Fett that was here.
That's a lot.
Some Overwatch stuff.
Think about it.
Gravity Falls ones. Some Kingdom Hearts. And there they all go. Pick these up real quick. Mickey's pretty cool.
One of these,
There you go.
the light up ones.
Let's see. Nothing over here.
Quiet.
Well, we're gonna go check out this other area.
None of these are.
Hope everybody's finding what they're looking for. Let's go look. Let's see. So we got a couple of those Lightning McQueens. Couple of the pops still. Stick down here, David. Nothing with War Nintendo.
Poppy.
Let's go around this way. Let's see. It's like the same pops there. Metals. Some DCs. the Guardians. Same with 3 3/4 and those. Still a bunch of layers there. Yeah, 1 cup there, some hot rods. Yeah. No gnaws or anything. All right. Broadsides there. All right. So, if we see anything else, we will cue y'all in. All right. So, bargains number 4. Let's see. We got anything worthwhile? Nothing.
Yeah.
Some wrestlers, same ones.
These are the ones we had, remember? That one. And that one.
And
There's Target exclusives.
And just knock it over everything here. Same ones.
That one's bent.
Same pops. And same little Nintendos.
Let's see if I can find these 3 exclusives. I only saw one of these.
It looks like the same ones. I don't. And there goes some. Yep.
Same pops.
Yep, same pops, same stuff.
Nothing's different.
Star Trek stuff. K2SO, a couple of them, 3.
We got the whole set. Except that one. We got the unmasked.
Morgan back there with a bunch of errands.
Still got cheap.
Got 1 cheap up there.
What's up, man?
How's it going, brother? All right. That was Walmart. Still have that sound wave. Blaster there. Yeah, same wave. Still got some Grimlocks and some Optimuses. Ski. Bunch of 40s. And some Wave 2 Star Wars. Did get some Lord of the Rings up there. I do not like the look of that Gandalf. Where they just kind of like splotched it on his face. It doesn't look right. Kind of wanted the Gandalf, but I ain't getting it like that. Bless you. Same Power Rangers. Back and look over here. There's somebody over here. Wow, that is one beat up box. Let's see. Looks like same Legends. More restock, just the old Guardians. Yep. We got a couple of those 2-packs. Little fruit down there. Alright. I think that's it though. Maybe getting them Despicable Me pots or anything. Same in display here. Alright. If there's anything new, we'll let you know. Hey guys, we're back at the house. This is actually not the same day we went hunting, but finish up. We actually got this box from Brandon a couple days ago. We haven't opened it yet. Doing a trade with him. His will be going out soon. So you know, Brandon. Yours and your mom's, Rita. We did pick up a couple things. Yeah, hand me that one. As y'all know, I did a 30 subscriber giveaway with the Vulture Pop and a Doomsday, and then I made a mistake and and didn't put Pug Love Productions in there. So I found another one of these guys. So I went ahead and picked us up one. Since I saw how good they looked, y'all having them, I was like, you know what? I think we're gonna grab one. So Doomsday there. There, we just move it over. One day we'll work out a space where we can fit all of us comfortably in here and show what we got throughout the video as well. We did go to a little bargain store. They have a bunch of clothes and some toys and some comics and a little bit of everything. It's a kind of a flea market style store, just a small store. And here, David, we'll show them this thing. This dude is obsessed with
lightsaber.
There we go. With lightsabers. And you gonna show him?
It's Darth Vader's lightsaber. This lightsaber was made in 2006.
And then you can step back and shoot it. What? Don't hit us with it.
But don't hit like right in.
A little beat up on the end, and it's kind of works still. He's got like 6 lightsabers of different styles, so yep.
Maybe one day he could show you all.
One day we'll actually get some awesome ones. Go ahead, what were you gonna say?
Said maybe one day he can make a video and show him all of his lightsabers.
We did actually, when we went to Comic-Con, we found some, selling a pair of them. Compatible ones that you actually can hit each other with. I don't know. I'm like, I don't know if I want to get him that, because he's gonna end up whacking me with it. But as you hit it, made the and all that stuff, and if you scraped across, it made that sound. He was gonna cut us a deal. I don't know if you can probably find them anywhere else, but the real metal hilts and everything, compatible, hittable to each other. Sabers itself, and they were $250.
3 for 2.
3 for 2 of them. we're not that rich. We're not rich at all. But one day we'll own some stuff like that. But I did find a little. Oh yeah. If y'all can tell me who this is, Nathan, you can. It's a Transformer. I know I think he's missing a part, which is fine. I paid $1 for him. I haven't tried to transform him yet or anything, but feels like he has some metal in him, like a little older one or something. But if y'all can tell me which Transformer that is, because I'm still not familiar with all the Transformers, that'd be awesome. Looks pretty cool. For $1, sure, why not? Is that all we got? Oh, yeah, there you go.
A pack of nail polishes, all different colors.
She used to never, guys. She used to never want to do any of this girly stuff. Ever. Ever. More tomboyish than anything. But it's all good. Girls growing up. Kids are growing up.
Alright, so what's next?
I don't film in there because I kind of know them because we go in there every week just to kind of see what they have. But I don't feel comfortable with filming in there. Maybe one day if they don't mind it. You know, it's kind of it's kind of random stuff, so I'm not sure if y'all would be interested in any of that. So we just go around and look. Did go by Walgreens, as y'all can tell in the video. I found this guy here. There we go. And I found both of them. I went ahead and picked both of them up. So if somebody's looking for this guy, let me know. We can work out a little trade or something like that, or if you really need them or whatever. It's all good. He actually looks cool. That's the first time I've ever seen him, so.
These are exclusive, right?
Yep.
I like this one
Yeah. We did go by Ross. I don't normally film in Ross either because they don't have squat 99% of the time. The only thing I did find, they had a few of these guys here. The First Order Flame Trooper. And they were $3, $4, $3.99.
Yeah.
We don't have him as part of our pop collection, so we went ahead and picked this fella up. They did have a Phasma there, which we already have her. But yep, got that one. Oh, and some little beanies for the baby. I got some of those. Oh, these are the mittens. And some mittens.
So he don't scratch himself.
Just put a pair of socks on his hands. And Geeked Up Mike, we were working out a trade, and he said, "Hey, if you can find this, you know, we'll work out, you know, try to work out something for me." And so I did find him. I actually found him another one, and the box was scraped up and scuffed up on the window. And he's like, "Oh, that's fine, I don't care." And then I went to Walmart, and I found it looking pretty darn crisp. As y'all can tell in the video, got him that hump suit. So he's set there. I think that's the only other one he wants from that wave. And then I did find, I couldn't really pass it up just because they must have just put it out there, but I did find another Moon Knight. You know what I might do with this one? I might save this for a giveaway.
Yeah.
for the 15.
And we are going to be oddballs. We're not going to do it at 100. We are at, last time I checked, we're at 89. We've been stuck at 89 for a little while, which is fine, you know what I mean? We're going to do it like an oddball. Like, what number did we decide?
107.
Like 107. So if we sustain 107 for a couple days, then, or, you know what, even if we drop down. Once we hit 107, we're going to do a giveaway video, and Moon Knight will be part of it. I'll probably try to add something else with it as well as second place winners or something like that. But I thought about maybe doing a trade, trying to do a trade with it. But you know what? This kind of came to mind, so that's what we're gonna do. Because he's pretty hard to find, or harder to find. So, yeah, we'll do that. Put these over here. Block out David. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And kind of story background to this was I was looking for this for somebody else. I want this, but not as bad as somebody else I was looking for. Francisco was looking for this guy. Haven't seen him anywhere. And Brandon Warren hit me up one day and said, "Hey, you looking for this?" And I said, "Yep, actually, yes, I am." So we worked out a trade, and yours will be coming soon, brother. And thanks a lot for thinking of me. Appreciate it. I've been keeping my eyes out open all over for this one. It's taped all the way across. Bubble wrap.
Oh, so it was just one thing. Oh,
Yes.
that's why it was so light.
Thanks, Brandon, again for doing this for me. He is cool. It is the Yoshi. The Trophy Series Yoshi that he was looking for. Thanks, Brandon, for thinking of us. Appreciate it. And Francisco, that's what I made a trade for you, brother. Because I know you were looking all over for it, and one day I'll find another one for us. But I think he will only. Man, it's almost completed another wave of his of more Nintendo and stuff. Because I also have this one for him, which I picked up for us, but I'd rather help complete somebody's wave when I'm not that close. So I'm gonna give this to Francisco also, the Star Power Mario. And this is the newest wave. And I think he has it all, the rest of them, I think. But, so that one will be his, and so will this Yoshi be. But that's pretty much it, guys. On a side note, baby's doing good.
Got about 8 weeks left.
Yeah. Got not too long from now. Anybody else have anything else to say? I hope. What?
I know.
He's stuck on this Arkham Knight, the Red Hood. And boy, I saw a Hot Toys one. And I think he's running, how much, what, 244? That's what he was running?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Maybe for Christmas. Because they allow you to make payments on there, which is pretty cool. Hey, I can't even hear myself think.
Sorry.
And payments are like $50 a month or something like that. But I'm like, that's almost like a freaking credit card, or worse. But that'll be about the only way I can afford that expensive of a toy right off the bat.
I looked at it. It was pretty cool.
But that's about it. Do you have anything else to say?
Got this ring to cancer awareness.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
There you go.
She don't. That's fine. She loves all these big stuff too. She loves enjoying going with us. She looks with us. But she's getting into this girly phase, so that's all good with me too. You have anything else to say, baby?
Other than baby's due in 8 weeks, and we are now going for doctor visits twice a week. So.
Twice a week. Sonograms once a week.
Twice.
Oh, you get doing sonograms both times? Yeah.
That's a lot.
So, as y'all don't know, she does have, I mentioned before, she does do insulin, gestational diabetes, so she's having to do that, and that's part of the reason why she's going twice a week. Because the doctor wants to keep a close eye on the baby, and make sure he's going good and everything. So, yeah. Other than that, I mean, that's decent haul. Sorry guys, we haven't been hunting as much. I mean, heck, when we first started, we were putting two to three videos out a week. They're probably only going to be about once a week for right now, depending on, you know, funds and budget wise and stuff like that. But of course, we'll keep y'all updated, and I will tell y'all, the other day I came home from work and David goes, all my legends fell. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
He goes, all my legends fell. And he goes, Abomination fell over and he knocked, it just went. So you're talking about 150 legends. Wham. All of them down. And it took us
2 days.
2 days, like 6 hours to get. So we will get, of course we're picky and we're trying to pose right, and you know, he's indecisive, so he don't know what he wants to do. But we'll try to do a collection video as soon as we can. I keep saying this, guys, but we will eventually. I promise you.
It's gonna be awesome.
Not as big as some others, but you know what?
Still awesome.
It's still awesome for us because it's special to us because we do it as a family. If y'all wonder where Ashlyn's at, she's in the other room chilling, watching a movie, I think.
I think that's about it, guys. Yeah,
Just
that's
watch
it.
an Element channel.
All right, guys. Until next time, this is the Larger Family Hunters. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Have a good day.
Bye, guys. If I can press the button. We forgot to say something, guys, and she wants to say something.
Reminder, subscribe, comment down below, and like.
Talking to them. Please, guys.
Yeah.
Doing a thumbs up. Bye, guys. We'll see y'all next time.